Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You already need a Google account and the Photos app installed. Now open it. When prompted, sign in with your Google credentials and accept storage and camera permissions so thumbnails and uploads can appear. Once signed in, make sure backup and sync is visible in Settings. Toggle it if you want automatic uploads. This gets your device talking to Google Photos and starts pulling thumbnails and full images from cloud or local storage, so you can move to browsing immediately. Once the app loads your library, tap Photos to scan through the timeline, swipe and pinch to zoom into details. You can search by people, places, objects, or dates. Type a keyword and Photos will surface matches using AI, which saves time versus manual scrolling. Make sure to open albums to access device folders, shared libraries, and automatic creations. If you want faster access, tap and hold an image to add it to favorites or move it into a new album for quick. You're ready to act. Select one or multiple photos and tap Share to send links, use app targets, or create shared albums for collaborators. To free space, choose Delete then Empty Trash when you're sure. Note you can restore items within 60 days if you change your mind. For final cleanup, visit Settings to manage backup quality and device storage. If images don't appear, check permissions, confirm backup and sync is on, and make sure you're on Wi-Fi or a stable network. This single check fixes most sync problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.